everyone. I know I haven't uploaded much to the channel over the last couple of years, but now back on it, back fishing again. Had a little bit of a break because of a couple of reasons, but yeah, I'm back fishing again now and I'm loving it. And me and the pals are going down to this perch lake today, and hopefully you're going to get amongst some nice big perch. Hopefully it's going to be a really good day. Weather's looking perfect for it, so I'm meeting the guys down there. I'm running like 5-10 minutes behind, so let's get on the road and go and meet them. I got to the lake with the guys being set up already. I quickly got my rods out, and before we knew it, Dan was into the first fish of the day, being 3 pound 1 ounce. There you go, Chris.
That's what we're here for.
Oh yeah, look at the size of that little beauty.
Sorry, sweetheart. She's quite big in it, 3-1. I know.
Have you weighed her already?
Yeah. That's the biggest 4 pound something. Possibly, man.
Oh, what a beauty. Nice. Any comments, Wilma?
Worms. On the worms.
On the worms, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
With there being a good chance of having a carp, I set up the cage feeder on a small herring and left it on the alarms whilst I was watching the float.
Was it?
No, it's a massive bit of worm. I changed it.
Lee changed it to silver prawn. Instant. Bang.
Really?
Gone.
Literally, this is the first chap.
Alright, that's a PB, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's a good one. PB already.
Yeah. Okay, so there we go. Little 1/6 perch. My first of the day and new PB for me because I haven't had many perch before, of this size anyway. It's a little beauty. Our mate Dan has had a 3 pounder already, which I've got some photos of. Hopefully we're going to get amongst a few more today. Lovely little fish, but up a good little fight. Had it on the worm, nice chunk of worm with topped off with a red maggot. So I'm going to keep using the same tactic today and hopefully we can get amongst a few more. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to put a new hook bait on after having that perch. I'll show you what I've been using. Just checking that the line's okay. Yep, all seems fine. Okay, what I'm going to do, a nice big worm out the bag. You see it's a bit of a beast. And I'm going to chop it straight in half. Like so, right in the middle. Just going to wiggle a lot. Stick that on my lid, the other half, so I don't lose it. What you want to do is get a worm and thread it around the hook, and then just over the eye. It stays nice and wriggly, and it's dangling down, and you can see the nice sharp hook point. Get a maggot. Usually I use a red one. Hook it just on the butt end of the maggot. Put it down to the end of the worm. almost just works as a worm stop, and you've got the hook shank sticking out like that. And that's what will hook a lovely big perch, fingers crossed.
Nailed, mate. Absolutely. No, that's fine. Absolutely nailed. 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 112.
Exactly the same size as the last one.
Yeah.
Just like you said, Lee.
Exactly the same size as the last one, 112. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Actually getting this fight on the camera.
That's going. That is going. Yeah. Oh, it's a big one.
Oh, that's a
That is a big one. Love. That's a real love. Oh, damn. Oh, right, mate. What did I say? Sit there with kids, so when you finally get one, it's going to be a good one. Oh, no, I'm intrigued. I do.
Yay, get in.
One on chummy. Oh, hang on a minute, Dan.
Oh, he's a
good two.
Good
Two. I don't think it's a three. Stick it on Lee's, Matt. It's already wet. Stick it on Lee's face. It's already wet. Oh, finally. What a mate.
Yes, in.
Yeah. It's not as big here. I can't be bothered. Bring my gear on.
He's proper taking it, isn't he?
2.5, sorry.
It's in there. That's it. Lovely.
That's got to go more than 112. If that goes 112, I'm going to be pissed.
That looks a 2 to me.
What are you saying?
2.5.
2.5. Beautiful.
Look at that lateral line though. How defined is that?
Yeah.
That's mental.
Crazy.
Look at how perfect that lateral line is. I've never seen one with such a prominent lateral on it.
The day was coming to an end. I was just starting to pack up when my float started to bob and something had taken my silver prawn.
What are you doing? We waited all day for this moment. Yeah. It's a big one.
I think my heart is in my mouth right now.
Yeah, they do that to you. Is this on the fish? The way it's plodding, have you seen it? Keep it away from the fucking bank, whatever you do. Give it line if it wants it. Too much. That's free. I think this is a fucking monster.
So we do fucking avocado, right?
Nah, this thing's pulling.
Have you seen?
No.
No. because it hasn't run.
And it was on the silver prawn.
Yeah, but Ollie, he's had quite a few on these silver prawns. Yeah.
Carp will have a silver prawn, mate. Carp. No, it's fine.
Sea prawn. Magic of the silver prawn.
There we go, nice end to the session. Pike of 6'8". Thought it was a huge perch, but I was very much mistaken. It's been a great day, we've had loads of fish between us. Had a 27-pound carp, perch up to 3 pound 2, little pike, 6.5 pound. So yeah, it's been a great session. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button if you want to see more videos.